something hangs in the middle. Do not blame me. I called up Jio directly, and the gentleman told me talk to Mukesh Bhai. It turned out Mukesh Bhai is Mukesh Chowda, who's just a guy who lives in the lane and runs the whole place here. I got confused and tried to call the big man, and of course, couldn't get through the bureaucracy. So that's a story for another day. But for now, I have a separate rant which I want to quickly do, which is I called up Donald Trump with all the crap that's going on. I said, let's find out what's going on. And apparently, he's using the same answer on the answering machine. You call up Donald Trump, please, and the answer is pardon. What's going on? Let's go straight to Mickey Mehta. The show is called Cyrus Says. We don't have a laugh track, so I have no idea what impression we make on anyone. Mickey, Cam, all good?
Cyrus, I just heard that your wife is not working well. Then I realized your Wi-Fi is not working well. I couldn't hear the five-part later. Anyway, how's
That's
ma'am and
right.
son?
That's right. You should. There's no need to make any cast any aspersions on my wife because I only say bad things, and that's how our marriage has lasted because she has no idea what I do for a living. But
Okay,
Mickey,
okay.
thank you so much for coming here. I see you're sitting behind your glass doors in your magnificent mansion, which your bungalow where you lived for the last 1 year, while the rest of India was starving and struggling. But
Yeah.
I think one of the good things. I know you don't want to go back about your life because 200 people ask you that on radio shows and this and that everywhere, and you're bored now. So much so you'll start inventing facts like I do.
Yeah.
But for the 10, 12 months, I was thinking people like you who have
Yeah.
this sort of healthy philosophy and a healthy lifestyle are the ones who probably deal with lockdown effect better than most. Is that fair to say?
I would say, what is lockdown effect, by the way? I don't know about it because I
I
lived
was
my life.
depressed.
Ah, oh, I was impressed
I was very depressed,
because
Tika.
I was impressed because the world came to a standstill. And for a change, we could breathe easy, relax, wake up late, do our stuff, work out, go to the market, and enjoy sunshine, enjoy the chirping of the
What kind of
birds.
male, what kind of South Bombay male gets up, works out, and goes to the market? You sound like a 14th century guy. What the hell? What? Watch a trading. That was also closed. If you're talking about that market. Yeah,
No, no,
sorry, go
no.
on.
I'm not interested in sex and sex, Cyrus. That's out of my.
Oh,
I'm so
someone not
sorry.
interested in sex. You mentioned my wife in the beginning. You made sexual aspersions twice already, and this is only third minute of the program. Huh?
So I would say that I am very much interested in making love, mingling with the soul, becoming one, becoming whole, WHOLE. And I enjoy doing
Note to
that.
self: no two Parsis consecutive weeks on this show. All right, there's too much double entendre.
So let me
WHOLE. Bolo,
WHOLE.
please. It's
So let me
captivating.
let me so let me tell you, Cyrus, that I was traveling like a mad dog, and immediately I became a tortoise, settled, crawling around and enjoying. I enjoyed the lockdown so much because my daughter came down from US, and I had maximum time with her. I literally, every morning I could take more, I would say, hours of sunshine, literally. And look, so
But
my
where's the
house.
sunshine? They didn't let us out of the house first.
No, brother, my house windows, they oversee the golf course of the Wellington Club.
Uh,
So
no, this is the problem. The people listening to the show aren't as well off, so they don't understand the kind of lifestyle you have.
I
Okay,
don't know
you
which
so
I
you're, you're talking about
yeah,
sunshine coming into the house. I thought you were going for
yes, through
walks.
through all my, I think so, how many, around some 10, 12 windows, if I am right, to my house. But yet my house is only 1,000 square feet, okay? But I'm just blessed to have
But the
so
window is
many.
500 square feet. That's key. The window is the window to the soul. Yeah.
Certainly, window to the soul to make you WHOLE
Huh.
whole. Okay,
SOUL.
now
Huh? Since WHOLE, I
SOUL.
say SOUL, not SOLE.
SOUL. Yeah,
That's a
yeah,
Parsi
yeah.
name.
And our souls, our souls.
Oh, I've
Our
got to stop
souls.
you there. If it's going to be one of those shows, there's nowhere to go but up from here.
But
Oops. Yeah.
Cyrus, if you remember,
Ah,
so Mr. Brocha
correct.
was a director in Indian Organic Chemicals
Hey,
Limited.
that's right. Your mom and my dad worked together for no money in some small office for many years.
35, 40 years together. Now,
35. Yeah, I
but
would think about
but
that.
Cyrus, let me break some news here,
Ah,
and we must get into some confession.
ah.
There was a receptionist come telephone operator, Zareen,
Zareen, yes, yes.
and she was
Well
well
built.
fed and well
Yeah.
built,
But lovely
and
lady.
I used to enjoy playing in a lab, and Zareen told me that even Cyrus enjoys that.
This is a new Mickey Mehta. This is the
Yeah,
side of Mickey Mehta which needs legal representation. And I want to tell you
absolutely.
that I hope we don't have too many people listening for Mickey Mehta's soul
So
to be
so
saved.
neither Zareen is anymore, and
Oh,
nor a husband. So it's
oh, how
okay.
sad.
How sad, but a
Yeah.
lovely lady.
And he
It
was
was
a
a
senior
wonderful.
inspector also. He helped us in a
Yeah, he was
case,
a
I
senior.
remember.
It's I
Tough
shabash,
guy.
Mr. Javed, tough
Boss,
guy.
Boss, remember one thing, Alzheimer's hits you after 30. All
Huh.
before that, I remember everything. Zareen properly, your mom properly, Jahangir. His name was
Yeah,
Jahangir. Properly,
very
everything I
true.
remember. It's just
Very
the
true. Very
last
true.
5, 10 years have been hard, boss. Really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And last year has literally taken Alzheimer's away from me. Although I'm 59 today, I'll be 60 in August and finish 40 years of profession and 51 years of yoga. Can you beat it?
51
And
years of yoga. You started at
when
the
I
age
was
of
eight,
8.
when I was eight, it was never too late. And of course, I was not overweight. So it just happened so.
Okay.
It
No, I
just
need, I need,
happened.
I need Benadryl. I've got this terrible cough. Okay.
Okay.
No, one second. Just segue there for a second. So, at the age of 8, what were you? That's about what 50 years ago, 1970. What the hell were you doing learning yoga? I mean, what was?
So my cousins were into martial arts, and
Baba, martial arts
Pervez
and yoga.
Mystery.
No disrespect.
No, Pervez Mystery. They used to go to Pervez Mystery.
Correct.
And my cousins like Viraf Majra, Farokh Majra from Xavier,
Hmm,
strong, huge
hmm.
chest. And so I wanted to work out at 8.
And
So
you
I
thought
told
the
my
best
mom,
martial arts is yoga, that dog down position with your bum up. Huh?
absolutely.
That scares the people. I've always
And,
done
th-
that in a fight.
and thank God I was not in the Gulf country. I got saved. Okay,
Okay,
but
that's it. Our
listen.
sponsors are never going to appear. Amit Doshi, where are you? Say something. Help me. This is dangerous.
Okay, now
Vicky, huh?
coming to the point
Huh.
that so I told my mom I want to join a gym. So my mom said, "Boss, go to YMCA. It's the cheapest." So I went to Leamington Road YMCA because we used to live at Falkland Road, the
You
Playhouse
remember Cyrus
Pillhouse.
Avenue?
Where?
All right, right next to YMCA, there's a Cyrus Avenue.
Oh,
First
really?
name
Oh,
only.
I
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
missed that. I missed
Yeah.
that. So I
You
went
missed
to
that.
YMCA and they said, "Boss, you're too young to do any gymming here. You better buy gym equipment at home." And he said, "Okay, gym equipment at home." I said, "Okay." I went home and I told my mom, "Okay, boss, buy me gym equipment." And next day was my birthday. So my mom said, "Look, my salary is only 150. Your dad's salary is 225, and we can barely eat, drink, and make merry."
Huh.
So she said, "No gymming. Your sister goes to JB Petit. She does yoga. So do yoga, whatever your sister does, emulate her."
So
So next,
because of subsidiary effect that you were forced to
ekdam,
do yoga because of financial
ekdam.
constraints stopping you from
Yeah,
doing martial
yeah,
arts or gymming,
yeah.
and then you finally do something which required nothing but your hands and legs.
Yeah, can't thank Baba Ramdev. So I have to thank my sister, JB Petit School. She was doing yoga and all the
Who
flexible
compares their
poses.
sister to Baba Ramdev? What kind of human being does that? How dare you? I mean,
Uh,
he's a great man.
He's a
Patanjali,
great man. And Baba Ramdev एक आंख मार मार के सबको योगा में उसको फंसा दिया योगा के जाल में. And I'm so happy because of him. The world has risen to understand, being aware and conscious about this wonderful art, talent, and our India's greatest export panacea of wellness yoga.
but I've seen Baba Ramdev. Now that you mention him, perform in an event where he did all kinds of strange things. I must say he bent his arm almost to the back of his heel, which
Yeah.
I've only seen. My one cocker spaniel used to do that, but other than that, I've not really seen that in a human being.
So
So
there's
he's actually very flexible, which people don't realize because you just see him on camera.
Brother, you haven't seen me. If I lie on my back,
Huh?
I take my legs back in halasan, and
Huh?
then I will put my knees to the ears and become a small ball.
Actually, this
It
Halasan is in
looks
Maharashtra. Or you cross the border.
no, very much
So you take
within
your knees
England,
back behind your head.
and then fold them and put them in the ears and becoming a small ball,
Can
and
you
that
put the
is called
camera down and show us? At all possible?
I'm wearing shorts. Yeah, that's Karna Pidasan. It's called Karna Pidasan.
I don't
Karna
even want to
means
try to say it. But
ENT. Yeah,
the KPD means something else.
and
But
certainly don't rhyme it. So I mean,
okay,
it's a
okay. Here we go.
wonderful
Here we go.
asan.
Back to the legal effect. So any chance we can see it, but if you just lower the camera,
Uh, I
I don't
can
want to force you.
try.
If it's possible, don't make a.
ट्रैक लेके आ जल्दी. Okay, I'm getting a
Who's his
track pant.
assistant?
I will just wear it. अरे आजू बाजू बैठे हैं यार दाया बाया.
Wow,
दाया सिंह
unbelievable.
बाया सिंह. दाया
Wow,
सिंह बाया सिंह.
male or female? You're just giving them
Ah,
names.
male.
Male. Okay. Because
Okay.
this is the one thing. Although I can't do yoga because it means you have to stay still for a long time. Other
हाँ.
than that, but I do. I can't believe the kind of flexibility some people have.
Hmm. So
And
I'll
now,
try
ladies
to
and
do this.
gentlemen, who says
I'll
this show is
try
just
to.
about talking and talking nonsense?
हाँ.
Now we put our money where our mouth is. We have one of the best exponents of health and yoga, Mr. Mickey Mehta himself, in the words of an announcer airports. अब
I
पेश
trust that.
करते हैं Mr.
हाँ.
Mickey Mehta in flight. where he's
हाँ तो
doing KPD.
ये देखिए ये मेरे ट्रैक पैंट्स है अभी मैं शॉर्ट्स निकाल रहा हूँ और ट्रैक्स पहन रहा हूँ.
All right then.
Right, that's it. Camera's only on the top.
That's you've got your own introduction then. I'll just cancel mine. Mine was a waste of time.
Okay, so while we talk, let me tell you that Karna Peterson typically works on your ENT and your brain. So your neurotransmitters and your synaptic connections, they really wire up very well for you to remain creative and I would say very alert, aware, and full of responses. Now that I can take the laptop a little behind and let me try.
So instead of having coffee, I can just put my legs behind my head is what you're saying. And I get that the body gets stimulated.
Well, let me try. I'll show it to you.
Haan ji.
And just 1 second. Let me see whether I can. Yeah, now I'm on the dining table, by the way.
Nichu rak, thodu. Camera.
Camera niche rakho. Okay. So
you'll have to show it. Yeah. Perfect.
And let me see.
And please, one sec, people don't try this at home. You can't just put your legs behind your head. It's not that easy. Only 1 out of 10 people can and should.
Okay.
And never in public.
Okay, now I go behind.
Right. Oh my God. That's ridiculous. What kind of human being? I'm ashamed. That's wrong. I mean, furniture is wasted on you. I mean, what the hell is that? Really?
Okay.
Wow.
So this
Super.
is Karna Peterson.
Mickey,
on demand. This is Mickey on demand.
On demand to show you the real deal. On the spot, without warm up, nothing. And the only lesson we learned here is you must have tight underwear, which you showed us in the beginning. Make sure you have tight underwear because some people will go for free falling, and free falling can cause a lot of pain, especially if you're not yet a father. But no, jokes apart, so this gives you what? It stimulates the nervous system.
So 1 sec. So normally our body is subjected to gravity. That apart, the forces.
You're making fun of the fat souls. So Amit Doshi will be on soon. Yeah.
The forces of entropy. So entropy is a phenomena where the orderliness of the universe breaks into disorderliness. Okay. So time, matter, space, light, motion, mass, causation effect, Donald Trump, etc. That they break you into disorder, dis-ease, decay, and death.
Wow.
Now, death has no right on life. Death is the culmination of diseases. Diseases are the culmination of your choices. So choose evolution over entropy. And a choice of evolution is Ashtanga of yoga.
And then we don't die.
And then you can be eternal should you wish to choose evolution every moment of your life.
But is there any other person who's lived forever like that to give me?
Well, there could be so many. And as there is a science in Jainism, there's a
L.K. Advani comes to mind.
Absolutely, L.K. Advani, absolutely. But this is a very Indian civilization.
Sorry, I interrupted you. You said there's a tenet in Jainism?
Yes, there's a tenet in Jainism called Santhara. And Santhara means Ichha Mrityu, but the opposite meaning is Ichha Jivan, which means
idea of life.
It's not death wish. And it is also not euthanasia. It is that once you cross 84 and the purpose of life is served, mission accomplished, and then you feel that you living on this earth is a waste of your breath. So what you do, you stop eating. You take your family on board. You stop eating. Now, when you stop eating, your attachment to food and thus your attachment to lust of sex. So lust for food and lust for sex.
You're killing my audience. No food, no sex, and put your legs behind your ears and hang around.
At 84, after 84. So lust for food and lust for sex is detached. So that's called vairagya. And once that is detached, then you stop eating. Then you stop drinking, which means your thirst and quench for life and attachments of life, all the connections.
So you're basically, you don't want to eat or drink, you're saying. You reach a point where
you choose not to eat for weeks, then you choose not to drink for weeks, and there comes a refinement when your body comes to a point where you can choose not to breathe and sleep forever. And this is scientifically can be explained. And then you let go your breath, exit, transform, transmigrate, reform, choose your womb to come back again, or disappear as fragrance and become the sweetness of fruits and witness the whole cosmos being invisible.
Wow. The only thing is, I remember I was willing to stop breathing and becoming one with the universe at morning meetings in Dakunyas back in the early 90s when I first had a job. But no, I totally get your point. So what you're saying is we sort of program ourselves in this
It
progression.
is, yeah. So, I mean, an extraordinary human's life who's extremely super conscious, he's away from programs. Programs only exist in the Matrix. If you remember the movie Neo.
It was too expensive in Inox, so I just asked my daughter to tell me what happened.
No,
But no,
it was in
let me Sterling,
Sterling. It was in
come check, come check. I also go to Sterling, by the way, Planet of the Apes. Do you?
Yeah, of course,
Fabulous
of course.
as a segue.
Superb. And Planet of the Apes, when it first came in Sterling, I'd seen it then too,
Yeah, all of them I
as a
saw there.
kid.
I don't
Yeah,
mind
yeah.
Sterling. I'm a big Sterling fan, but let's not
Amazing.
jump
I mean,
from yoga to
Sterling was the first theater to have a Dolby surround.
Parsi caterer.
Parsi
Besadia.
caterer.
Besadia,
Besadia.
lovely. Fabulous food. No,
Ah,
I'm very happy. Honestly, I think this paying $900 to see a movie and all, you might as well make a film in 2 tickets
ah.
of your
I
own.
see.
So
I'm sure you
sorry.
must be getting free tickets. Okay, tell
No,
me.
no, free tickets not to come in. But coming back to this whole thing, so you're saying what will Mickey Mehta do? Last question, and we'll call the others in. What will Mickey Mehta
Bus.
do in advanced stage? I mean,
Okay,
you don't look
so
anything close to 59, 60. I mean, really. So you
okay,
tell us.
okay. So I'll tell you, this whole life of expanding your consciousness is about not doing and start being. Because doing makes everything ugly. In the state of being, an artist paints in a state of being, a singer sings in a state of being, a
Ah,
poet writes in a state of being. So that is being a flow of consciousness in the rhythm. When your unit rhythm is synchronized with the universal rhythm, there is a sense of oneness and you become whole,
so I get it.
W-H.
The streams of consciousness feeling where your art comes out on its own without you actually doing. But what about peeing? When you want to do susu?
Being. Being is also being, not doing. I mean, you try going on the pot and try peeing. When your bladder is full, you will get the
Okay.
urge and the
It
signals.
follows a natural course.
Rhythm,
Right.
flow, rhythm and flow.
Though at my
Rhythm
age,
dara
many times
pragya.
I try to pee and nothing comes out for a little while. That's
Ah.
also natural lack of flow.
Yeah, that means you are obsessed by peeing and you're saying, okay, let me try and pee.
No, I
That's
have
why.
lots of time. What do I do? So going
That
to the
is why.
toilet and pretending to pee is one of
Oh,
my highlights. Why take that away from me,
okay.
Mickey Mehta? I can't do what you can do. Legs behind the heels. Call my friends over. Watch this. My God.
I don't do that. I don't do circus at all. My
Okay.
yoga is not yoga of circus. My yoga is yoga of evolution. And evolution for human evolution, a wellness revolution for human evolution.
Wow. Mickey Mehta, the poet. Brand Mickey Mehta. One of the
And the
foremost names in
philosopher.
fitness. Sorry.
And the philosopher.
And the philosopher, you can't detach your philosophy from what you do because you are your brand. Most people try
Yeah,
to build a brand which is something else, but you actually are that. So now
yeah.
let's bring in our brand members. We'll take a break first and then bring them in because it takes a little while to connect the Wi-Fi in 4 different parts of the metropolis. We're all spread apart, but the universe makes us whole.
Whole,
WHOLE.
H-O-L-E, and makes us, our souls whole.
Now we
Whole.
no, we need that break. We really need that break.
केम जो अमित
Okay.
भाई मजा आ रही कि नहीं?
Are
It was very
fantastic,
fun.
boss.
I
Fabulous.
loved hearing somebody besides my mom talking about Vairagya and stuff like that.
No, but what I like is he put his money where his mouth is and did the damn asana,
Yeah.
which just shows he's the real
In
deal on the
that,
spot. The others will
Cyrus,
never do it, huh?
Cyrus, in that asana, I put everything where my mouth is.
Oh, fuck. Look what you did. My TV fell. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
You know,
So much
Cyrus,
for that. I'm
Cyrus,
doing. I'm not being, I'm doing. Huh.
Cyrus, I've been dying to come on your, your show, on
Huh.
your TV show, and I was thinking how, and the universe listened to me, and this happened.
This is the podcast, but the TV show,
I
we'll have to
know,
have a political reason to put you on.
sweetie, I'll give you as many political reasons, and I'll give you as many punches below the belt, above the belt, and you will be delighted. I promise you, fun, fire.
Take a stand pro BJP or anti, and we can put you on. Huh? But be very
Huh?
harsh. Huh.
Understood. No, I'm pro. I'm a big pro. I'm a big bro of the big pro of the big bro.
My God. Wow. No wonder Amit Shah and Amit Doshi is now closer to your heart than we think. You better be careful. Okay, shall
Boss,
we come?
I have studied Sanatan Dharma at lengths and depths.
Hmm.
But I'm not in for the madness of the Hinduism. I am here for the Sanatan Dharma, the way of life of Indus Valley civilization, which makes it the most ancient, most in-depth, most scientific, Do you know, Cyrus, that before the scientists could call the earth round and
Ah,
declare it, our Rishi Munis called it Bhugol.
called it what?
Which is Bhugol, geography, Bhugol.
This
Bhumi,
sounds
which
like
is
hips don't
gold.
lie.
Yeah. And before the scientists could ever have evidence that the earth is moving, our Rishi Munis call this Jagat. Jag, jiski koi gati ho. Gati. Jagat.
Hmm.
Wow.
I'm gonna 1 second. Silvery, will you repeat those two concepts for me right now?
Yeah.
Ah,
Blue goal is because the Earth is
use
spherical.
both hands.
The Earth is spherical,
With both
and
All right,
uh,
all right. Okay,
yeah.
stop. Don't.
Okay,
It's
cool.
not a
Chalo, chalo,
question
let's
answer.
start. Let's start. Let's start.
Let's get
No,
into it.
we're
Mickey,
on
now we
only.
need your philosopher side again. Let's see what
Huh.
topics we have. This is what we do actually in the show. We freewheel
Alrighty.
about what's happening. So Silvery's got some topics. He'll be the anchor.
Yes.
Go on.
All right. Firstly, from Jan 16th onwards, India has started the largest COVID-19 vaccination drives,
Huh.
and it's been going rather well. I would say about in the last 3 days, about 3.8 lakh people in the
So
country
what
have
about
been
that
vaccinated.
Coven app issue?
Yeah, exactly. So the 3.8 lakh people have been vaccinated. About 580 adverse effects, out of which two have been deaths, but they are saying they are non-vaccine related deaths.
Hmm.
And some states like in Maharashtra, after the 16th, for 2 days, vaccination drives had to be halted because the Coven app was glitching. Like there were some problems with the Coven app.
Hmm.
But still, like out of 3.8 lakh people, 580 adverse effects, not and
Yeah.
not all of them too
It's a
serious. I
negligible
think.
statistic if you look at it
Yeah.
from Matt's
It
point of
is.
view.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's. I think it's less than
Yeah.
0.1%
So then
adverse, and if it's 2 deaths, then that's
no,
0.01%.
two deaths will be tough to prove, as he said, correlate to the
Yeah.
vaccine per se,
Yeah.
because two out of such a huge number of people would have died on that day because of traffic regulations in my case or whatever the hell, hypertension or whatever they had.
अरे तो
Mickey,
मैं क्या करूं नाचूं
no, no,
I'm just like
Mickey, when in doubt, assume some position that makes us look ridiculous and questions our manhood. That's all we request from you, sir. You're playing the
some
role of
position.
one
I
of those.
can I can show you one more position sitting on a chair if you want to.
Yeah, please show.
Okay, let me now try this. Huh? You can't
Oh,
see my
wow.
legs.
We can't see, but we can.
But yeah, we
If you
No,
can
I
just
don't
lower the
know.
camera, your assistant can go towards your groin. That's
Ah, no.
because he's one of the highest paid men in the world for doing this. No, I want people, if they're youngsters watching this, why can't I become this? Because Mickey Mehta makes a lot of money, and all he has to do is put his legs in the air and his hands touch his legs, and which is not as
I
easy as
mean,
you think.
very few people know that Mickey Mehta loses more money than me makes.
No, but 1 second, does this put stress on the groin area? Because I get damn scared at my age to spread my
No,
legs, to use a
it
phrase.
releases. This is to release the stress from the groin areas, not to have stress on the groin area.
Is that so?
Absolutely. So by and by, as you open up like a butterfly, and by and by, yeah. So actually, the
Amit, will you
philosophy.
open up like a butterfly?
I think the chances of that are low to non-existent.
So the
Butterflies-
I
The
can do
butterfly-
this. I can open up like a butterfly like this.
Yeah,
If you want to call this a butterfly.
You know, the first philosophy of yoga is that as your body opens up, the convolutions of your mind opens up too. And as your body becomes flexible, your mind also becomes flexible. You only learn to say yes, affirmative to life. Never say no to life, because life is only possibilities. If somebody were to ask me what is life, I would say all possibilities. And yoga is the only way where there's confluence of energy completely equated in balance. So Ganga comes from here, Yamuna comes from here and becomes Saraswati. It gives birth and rise to new entities. So where the polarity of energies complement each other, don't contradict. They complement each other, they are not in conflict. So like Khalil Gibran says, that even in the temples where we pray and worship with faith, the temples are held with pillars diametrically opposite planted. So you need polarities to exist and not coexist, exist in absolute harmony. So it's a confluence. It's a confluence of energies. It is congruence of your sacred geometry with the sacred geometry of the universe. And it is prefrontal cortex consonance of all humans and everything on earth. And it is a limbic brain resonance with the whole existence.
For flippant program, so many big words. This is like bouncers on a Perth wicket. It's very difficult for us. But I wanted to ask you, I've done one
Yeah.
yoga class and then ran away forever with elderly people, and there was a lot of
Uh,
flatulence. And I was told later that that was intended. Now, I'm just, with
yeah.
all due respect, I mean, intended, and then, really, that's a real paradox, यार. मेरे को
You
बुलाएगा,
know,
मेरे को करना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद सारे side से ये खुशबू. I was like, no.
brother, you've been lucky to have it from distance. While I stretch my senior citizen, I get it straight there. Tack.
All right.
I mean,
Let's
I don't know what to say about this. I mean,
So when you get up in the morning and go to work, imagine what Mickey's thinking. God, make it under 60. Make it under 60. No disrespect. Ageism. We don't want that. Sorry, Silvery, let's get topics
Yeah.
in. We're nearly out of time like this.
Yeah, sure. Going ahead with the COVID thing, a new survey has come out, which is very interesting. You remember how in the beginning of the pandemic, they were saying smokers might be more affected, might be
Lungs.
might
Yeah.
contract might contract the disease more easily.
Hmm.
Now a new survey has come out which says the complete opposite, saying that smokers and vegetarians are in less risk of contracting the disease. And this has been, they are saying this is the first, what is
Why?
the term?
What you're saying is the COVID virus likes meat.
No, it's just a survey which conducted. This is the first report from the general population. This is a population report.
This is lovely
I
thing about
think-
health reports. Mickey, come on this a little bit. First, they tell you
Okay.
egg white khalo. Then they tell you egg yolk. Without egg yolk is a waste of time. Then they go back. They keep the science is around and about all the time. Cause and effect changes. What do we
So-
believe?
cause and effect
No,
does not
so
change.
I'll-
Data
Cause and
I'll
sets
effect,
tell
no,
you.
but point is
I'll
not
tell
the
you.
point.
I'll tell you. Right today, wrong tomorrow. Remember one thing: logic is lame. Reality is relative.
Because you didn't stretch logic's groin.
Yeah, and facts are frivolous, but truth is constant. So science changes its own position every day. Okay.
But that is the changes in the it changes in the presence of new information. No? It doesn't change
No, one
randomly.
second.
Understood.
What you're saying is acceptable as a philosophy, but what the hell do we do? Because what was
I'll tell
right
you.
today is wrong
I'll tell
tomorrow.
you. I'll tell you. So, Adat Poonawalla has been immunizing the world otherwise. Mickey Mehta has been immunizing the world in a very different way.
See, Amit,
So-
Joyo, two parties.
Two parts.
World. Full world,
Okay,
two parties.
by the way, let me declare that 3 years back I published a paper on mental wellness, and it was called a Monumental Code, 10 Monumental Commandments, and it was published in an American medical journal. And now I'm publishing a paper on immunity, Dr. Mickey Mehta's Immunity for Humanity, with Dr. Ali Irani from Nanavati Hospital, who's a director.
Physiotherapist of Indian team.
Yeah,
One
who's a
time.
director
I
of the
love that guy.
Narsimha Physiotherapy College. And we are going to be releasing this paper in the month of February of March. And that is going to be the document in the world on immunity for humanity. But let me give you a few glimpses. So being a vegetarian helps. Breathing regularly helps, but smoking 100% doesn't help. Number
But
two.
But they're
go- go.
saying, I think the philosophy behind the smoking is that you're toughened your lungs in a way. You're used to corruption in the. I don't know. What
This
is
is
the reason,
logic.
Silvery?
This is logic. See, logic can be used like a whore, for and against both.
And
I
horns
mean,
are
I-
males and females. It's not a
And
sexist
all
word.
lawyers use logic a lot. Huh?
I'm the son of a lawyer. I have a 1-year LLB. I'm a poor man's lawyer. Really,
Yeah.
really poor man.
So let me tell you that conscious breathing, regulated breathing, which you do while you do a workout, while you stretch and contract your whole body, where your lymphatic system also drains out and works like a pump. Your hearts, your lungs, your digestive system, your nervous system, your brain system, your endocrine system, and everything gets orchestrated when you work out. Otherwise, it's very erratic.
No, but let's stop for a second on that smoking point. Silvery, please come in here, yeah. Now
हाँ,
they're
मैं
saying
बोलता हूँ
that
ना,
smokers are-
smoking is injurious, period. Period.
Yes, but just let's hear out the other side.
You get
Silvery-
compromised. You get compromised.
No, I just want to know what the technique or the logic or the what.
It's
be
just
some
a
reason.
survey, right? I mean, like I read the article he said is that they did
Yeah,
a
it's a survey.
survey of different people who have been affected differently, right? With COVID, people who have been infected and what their what their lookout was, and based on that, it came out that people who were smoking were less severely affected than people who were not smoking.
And
It's
the reason being,
there is no reason. Nobody knows the reason right now. The investigation required. But I mean, like, what you're saying intuitively is probably something like that, right? That if you're a smoker, your lungs are probably a little bit more used to getting shit in them, right?
Yeah.
And so
what
you
else
can,
could it be?
yeah, I
Yeah.
can't think of anything else.
Hey,
Although
Mickey,
it-
did you ever smoke?
I never.
Drinking?
No, but Dhamcharas start rhyming.
Okay.
Although
Not interested. After all your positions, what is left for us to do? Imagine if we shared the same lover. After the expectations of your over her neck and up under her head, and I just come and stand there for 5 seconds and deliver my spiel and talk to
And
myself and walk out.
Cyrus. But there's one thing sure for common, we would both make them laugh and giggle.
Yeah, but they laugh after. Because of me, they laugh after. With you, it's different. Yeah, women can bitch too, Amit. One day we're going to do a show about that. Women
Yeah,
bitching
yeah.
about us. We think we're the only
My
ones who bitch.
God.
My God. Let me tell you about the ladies. Now,
Yeah.
next question. Silvari
also,
bhai.
it should be pointed out though that there might be good credence to this survey, because similar reports have been published in Italy, in New York, in France. So it's
All the
very possible
fashion
this is actually the
capitals.
case. Yeah, fashion
Which is
capital.
where all the smokers
I
are, I
think
guess.
Yeah,
I
with the
think
big
I
budgets
have
and markets.
some justification for that.
Yes, sir.
Because even breathing requires conscious breathing in through your mouth. Because you're breathing in air. So each time you suck in air, along with your tobacco, obviously your lung function is activated. So there could be some credence and
So it's
credibility
like
there.
resistance training for the lung because you're putting it under
I'm
pressure.
just saying, in all probability, if you see the probability amplitude
Vicky,
of this,
we will start a bigger revolution in yoga. How smoking is holistic to all good health. And if you do smoking, you can everything will be healed. Is that a
and
possibility?
then we will call it Dam Maro Dam. We'll call it Dam Maro Dam.
But remember, as long as on our packaging is you with the legs spread and the hands up like that, I'll sell any product with that. Can you imagine? Who won't buy it? Yeah. Delivery next.
Yeah, cool. Okay, this next story is supremely interesting. Nidhi Razdan is an NDTV journalist.
NDTV anchor.
Yeah,
Very good news anchor.
yeah, very good news, Anka. She basically was a part of a phishing scam where they told she got scammed into believing that she has an offer from Harvard for a teaching job at
Wow.
Harvard. So she posted online, "Ki, hey guys, I'm leaving NDTV. I'm going to Harvard," and turns out
Oh.
that the whole thing was a scam, where the person was just trying to get her account details, like her bank details, her social security,
This is the
whatever you
problem with
have.
online. Amit, I'm telling you from the beginning, you really don't know who you're dealing with.
Well,
Is this
yeah,
really
but
Mickey Mehta? That's
no.
why I made him
Yeah,
do all those positions. It is really Mickey Mehta. Huh.
yeah.
This was crazy, right? I mean, like I said, it's unbelievable that something like this could happen. I mean, like, I'm not. I'll be honest. Anybody can get phished.
Yeah.
Anybody can be scammed. All of us can fall to this. But this seems like
But you
something that
just
this seems like.
any.
I mean, like there's due diligence missing on her side,
But didn't we
right?
all get married? Didn't we all get married?
Well, no, not really.
No, but one thing I don't understand. Wouldn't you be dealing with more than one person? It'll
So that's what
Yeah,
I'm saying. That's what
then
I'm
you have
saying,
to
right?
get your passport in order. The travel details and all. There'll be other people involved. It can't just be a
And why
one-to-one
is
person.
and why is all of the information coming inbound to her, right? I mean, like generally you would have outbound information going out as well from you, right? So it seems like
No, so the first time she was contacted, apparently, your tickle pink ki yaar,
yeah,
Harvard say phone call or email aa gaya, or whatever. And then she reacted to that. That we accept, as you say.
right.
But
yeah.
post that, as you say, it becomes a little difficult to imagine that she dealt only with one-to-point person. So such a big thing where you leave your
Right,
job, go
exactly.
to bloody Boston or wherever the hell it is, and set up shop. It's a little too
No,
much.
and some of the things around it are also kind of weird, right? Professor of journalism is what she got the job offer is. Harvard does
Yeah.
not have a department of journalism, right? So under the liberal arts program, there are certain courses which do journalistic things, but they don't have a
But you
department
could
of
say you're
journalism.
starting one or something. That's not
No, but
a
that is,
killer.
dude, I'm sorry, but if that is happening, then the red flags have to be, because then you need to know who is the chair of your department. You need to talk to
I think
them.
if
You need to
if
talk
they
to.
praise the person, I get these letters once in a while saying, "Oh, great person, will you come in to our college function or whatever?" They say such great things about you, like like you captained India in 14 Test matches. All lies,
No, but
and then you start believing the flattery.
so here's the thing, right? I mean, like, in some ways, I feel like this is a Indian thing where we just assume that because we have a position of prominence, chalo tum aa jao, job join kar lo. We want you to come in and do this, right? In the US, nothing happens without a review, without an interview process, right? So even if you're to become a professor at Harvard, you are going to have to interview with the head of your department. You are going to have, no matter what your previous accomplishment is, you have to do an interview process.
And how come
And
there was no
there's,
Zoom calls and things like
yeah,
that going
and
to and fro with various people, as you mentioned, the dean, the bean, everybody else involved?
Mr. Bean.
Sounds a little fishy.
no, it's just
Nidhi, why
weird.
didn't you call me? I'm a big fan of yours.
Hmm.
I'd have upstairs. I mean, I don't even have a good Wi-Fi connection, but other than that,
Or
It's
we
just.
could say,
Oh,
or
sorry,
we could
please.
say for a change, she didn't do investigative journalism. And it was
wow,
talent and
wow,
play.
oh, coup de grace, as
Although
we say
one
in Malayalam, huh?
Amit, one correction though. In the article, she does say that contrary to what many are tweeting, Harvard has a school called the Extension School offering a journalism degree program. So there is
It's
a learning
not, dude,
program.
but that's not what you. I'm sorry, but you don't do these things without interviewing. You don't do these things like that. I listen. I'm
Correct.
Okay, let's not
sympathetic.
fault her,
Correct.
na, Baba. Scamming
There's a
someone, I
due
mean,
Yeah,
process.
I'm sympathetic to
Sure.
getting scammed, but I also feel like there is a, like, you're making this major a life decision on the
Hmm.
basis of something like this feels off to me also.
I believe it's wrong when I give a bribe. I always believe that the person taking the bribe is evil. What's wrong if I give it? That's my
So,
personal
you
thing.
know, in
Taking the
20,
bribe is evil.
yeah, I think in 2016 or 17, if I well remember, I was invited to speak at Harvard and I did eventually. But the whole process was very layered.
Mhm.
It was I mean, there was a due
Why didn't
process.
you
One had
mention this
to,
first?
Yeah.
It would have helped the whole conversation. Bol,
so
bol, sorry.
there was a completely layered process. And just before me, Shashi Tharoor spoke, Madhwan spoke, and and they all went through that layered process. Doesn't matter who.
Hmm.
Doesn't matter who. So
Yeah.
there is a layered process in
Yeah, no,
place.
I've done some of this too. Right? I spoke at like a Google event once, and it was literally 8 people, one
Hmm.
after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Like, okay, first invitation from project manager at Google Podcast. After that, conversation with different people who are going to handle travel requirements. Then
Correct,
different
correct,
people who
correct.
are going to deal with you
Absolutely.
Arey,
for
you all are talking
content
about
stuff.
that. I spoke at the building meeting yesterday, for which you know how many emails and phone calls and WhatsApps have gone in between amongst 20 people. So, going to Harvard, you're right. It just makes no sense. It can't be a one-to-one point, two conversation, two emails, and boom, you're there.
Yeah,
Makes no sense.
it just, and again, how do you negotiate your salary? You're not negotiating, like, very honestly, right? If you're in a
Absolutely.
human resources
Absolutely.
position at a major this, the person who interviews you is not the person who negotiates your salary,
Correct,
right?
correct, correct.
And so
Yeah.
did that not have, I find it, again, I'm sympathetic to getting scammed online because it can happen to anybody, right? I mean, like, it's easy for it to happen, but this is a long drawn out
No, see,
scam.
we are not disregarding that. We are not
Yeah,
disregarding that. We're just analyzing as to what could have
Correct.
gone wrong and what could
yeah.
be it. We're not disregarding
Yeah,
it
don't
at
be
all.
angry with
And
Nidhi. She's a very nice
all
person.
Mm.
all
And
credibility,
honestly,
Yeah.
I'm sure
I
she's
don't want
honest.
to get into
I'm
a Me
sure
Too
speaking
scam, but
the
a very
truth.
attractive person as well.
Really? Oh,
Also,
Really.
well, I'm sure she's speaking the truth, but we all miss it sometimes.
Yeah.
There's much a
yeah,
slip
exactly.
I don't know. I
between the
always give
cup and the
5%
Like
more
lip.
for attractive people. I just feel they deserve it.
Oh
It's
yeah,
not
no.
easy being
So
attractive.
I don't think she's dumb. I don't think she's anything like that, right? I just it feels odd, right? I mean, like, there's a lot of negative reaction to us because she's hated anyway, right?
Yeah, Baba,
Online.
you sometimes believe, sometimes you believe what you want to believe also now, because we want a validation all the time.
Yeah.
God knows it's
Amit,
easy to, I think.
You don't have to hate everybody, Amit. Love, Amit,
No, no, no. Mickey, you're wrong. You're
love.
wrong. There's too much love in the world. We have to stop it.
No,
We have
no,
to
no.
stop it. You spread love and legs, and we will spread the rest.
Love is the single most creative energy, and it makes you as creative as me doing Karnapidasan.
But in India, love is just the brother of Kush,
Yeah.
as we are concerned.
And that makes you kush. I mean, love gives you all the khushi of the
Again, we are
world.
going to another direction altogether, but I suppose it's allowed.
Okay, no. So I would say minus the push. Love
um,
minus the push.
Minus.
I
All
would,
right. Brother Silvery, AMA
yeah.
time.
Okay, no, one thing,
One thing
No,
quick,
I'm
yeah.
okay.
I want to add that it seems to me at least that she that she didn't want to particularly be fallen for this, obviously, but the scamsters took so much effort to basically scam her. They sent like letterheads with the Harvard Axel logo.
This shit's not
They
difficult
interviewed
to
her for
Difficult
do.
to
90
do.
minutes
Even
with
I,
legit
with my
questions.
limited knowledge, will be able to copy paste and put things.
Yeah, but if there are multiple people getting in touch with her, if there are, say, maybe like 3 people running the scam, then it's
Okay.
easy to fall prey to
Did,
this
did she
anyway.
get? I seriously doubt that she got multiple emails from a
So I know 2 people.
Harvard.edu address.
No, 2 people for sure. One person who contacted her initially, for saying, "Okay, hey, there's an opening, there's a vacancy," and
Right.
one person who sent the email. So
Okay,
now
have they taken any
it,
criminal action against these people now?
No, they
she
haven't
is
caught them
being
yet.
investigated. Yeah, they're being
They
investigated.
haven't caught them
They are
yet.
fake IDs, and also it's going to take
Yeah,
years.
it'll take for a while. But it's just, see, again, I don't. I'm sympathetic, right? I know people who have gotten scammed online, right? I mean, like in my family, it's happened, right? Where you'll get like payment requests, and then like people will say, "Okay, just send a rupee so that we know," and then like we'll return money and do all this, and this happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, right? Like 5,000, 10,000 rupee scams have happened like that. People do get scammed online. This just seems like it's such a long drawn out thing, and there are so many different. If you are a journalist, you should be naturally skeptical about things. If you are a target, the
In
way that
hindsight,
she is,
hindsight.
no, dude, she's a target.
No,
She's a
she's a
massive
target
target.
and all that, and whatever
Yeah, so,
anti.
I mean, people hate her. Like, I mean, like
And
seriously, she's
Amit, you have to be blamed for that in some way
well,
or the
people.
other.
Well, yeah, yeah, yeah. The other Amit.
Yeah, no,
Uh,
I'm not saying that.
no, but she's hated, right? I mean, like, so if you have this degree of like, this degree of trolling happening to you on a regular basis, I would be a little more.
Yeah,
But again, it's not me, it's her,
she's
and I mean,
hated
like,
by
it's,
her politics and one side of it, right?
yeah,
So she's also liked. Like people of my generation find
yeah,
her very nice and all that,
yeah.
and we've interacted with her. Mickey is swaying towards the other side of the board, so maybe not so fond of her. But I get what you're
No,
saying
no,
that you're
no.
used to so much hate mail,
Hello,
so
hello, hello.
don't take it.
I love everybody. I love
So
everybody.
do I actually. We can
Single
have
most
political
creative
differences without.
energy.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, I mean, I don't hate anyone.
Except when they that flatulence in the small room and that you do
See,
someone
that is
put a
also
stop to that.
acceptance with grace. That is also acceptance with grace. And
I heard let's call them Mr. and Mrs. Sharma discussing it. Arey, I passed wind. I'm feeling so much more comfortable. I was like, no, let's not take civilization to such a level. Let's have some spaces, some boundaries. Oh God, where do we go? AMAs, bro.
Yeah,
10:45.
let's do them.
Huh.
All right, AMAs. The first one comes in from Marilyn Marpot. Says, please ask Mickey, sir, if the combination of intermittent fasting with exercise can help us in losing
Chalo,
weight.
free
effectively.
consultation. Thank you.
Yeah, that's basically what it is.
Catch the bakra
So,
and now get
what's
as
the
much from
question?
him as possible. Go on.
So,
Yeah.
what's the question? Intermittent fasting with what?
Combination of intermittent fasting with exercise can help us in losing weight effectively.
100%. I'll tell you why. Intermittent fasting is nothing new. The Vedic science speaks about eating once a day, and I've coined some lines on that. जो एक बार खाए वो योगी, दो बार खाए वो भोगी, बार बार खाए वो रोगी.
Can I also say, एक बार खाया तो isn't it called poverty? Sorry.
But again, to come back to your earlier Jain thing, like I know that in the Jain people, like my mom, right? Again, she stops eating at 5:30 in the evening, and she will not eat till 7 o'clock in the next morning, which is
scientific.
close.
It's very
Yeah,
scientific.
very
Not in the dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's scientific. Why? Because when the sun rises, our energies rise. Our pineal gland regulates the sleep.
Fair to say, there's no investment in Swiggy or Scootsie by the Jain community.
100%. I'm
Well,
sure.
I guess I'm part of the Jain community in some sense, am I not?
Yes, but you are a rebel. Look at your lifestyle, you awful man. Eating at 11, eating at 3 in the morning, having a drink at 5. And no asana, left, right, or center. There is no way. Amit Doshi, we will get a sponsor right now. I will pick up the phone. You put your legs behind your head, show it to us, and I'm telling you right now, ask Mickey Mehta, we will get cross. You'd never have to work again.
Amit, tell me, I'm sure you don't do asanas, but I'm sure you have a lot of vasanas.
I don't know what vasana is. Oh, okay, vasan. Vasan, the dishes.
No, not vasan, vasana, lust for life. Lust.
Oh, yeah. I love life.
Vasana.
I enjoy. I like doing fun.
Because
He is a bloody American.
While Jains talk about upasana,
Huh.
most of this world is involved in vasanas. So, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, madhu, maya, matsara, pride, anger, lust, envy, gluttony, avarice, sloth are your 7 sins, 7 vasanas.
I love those sins. Please. कुछ तो रखो आम आदमी के लिए कुछ तो रखो भाई please.
We should ask Kejriwal who आम आदमी सब कुछ रखता है.
Suddenly political, huh? You're okay with left and right, but Kejriwal for some reason.
And Kejriwal cannot be forgotten because Kejriwal ke naam pe there's a dish in Wellington Club.
Correct.
Kejriwal,
Not just Wellington.
Yes.
All the South Bombay clubs have Kejriwal, egg Kejriwal. That's very popular.
Egg Kejriwal is everywhere now, right?
Everywhere.
I mean,
Everywhere.
like, Bombay Canteen
please,
does it.
a leaf worth taking out of Kejriwal's book that he's an adorable, very cute, very lovable man.
I had teddy bears and things like that. To fall back on, but fair enough. Listen. Let's get two questions
Yeah.
on Mickey for Mickey.
All right.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. This one says, Tarun Kaushik asks, Cyrus and team, based on the current events, please tell how you'd react if your WhatsApp chats were leaked over the internet. What would people find out about you?
I nothing great, but just sometimes you make sexual comments and things like that. What else? Or maybe bitching about personal friends here and there. That kind of shit happens.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything that will bring the government down if you're asking that way. I just think actually what you say won't upset the general public.
Yeah.
I think it just upsets people around you because everybody A and B always talk about C. That's the problem. So if you go through WhatsApp chats, everybody's got something they're hiding.
Yeah.
Even the great Mickey Mehta, who obviously is more enlightened than us, I'm sure Mickey, you wouldn't want all your WhatsApp chats revealed, would you?
Well, with all the flirting around, then I do certainly
Then-
not.
Then, and under the guise of philosophy and all this, and suddenly the
so
picture on the DP, the picture on the DP.
Yeah, so I have adopted a very, very nice habit of sending hearts to everybody.
Hugs or hearts?
Hearts.
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 You know that the pumping one? Sending
pumping.
hearts to everybody. भाई मैं तो सबको भेजता हूँ भाई मैं तो
Yeah.
सबको भेजता हूँ.
I would like people to keep distance, but honestly, I don't understand why the love has to be curtailed a little bit. Not hate, but not too much love. Too much love is as bad as hate.
Cyrus, love flows like river, yeah.
No,
Like
it's-
rivers.
it's when it starts becoming so insincere that everybody says, "How's you? How you been?" and they don't care about it. Just why do we do that? Stop that. Stop all that, please.
वो तो बंद करो.
वो
But
तो-
Cyrus, I remember, I mean, out of the context, I remember once, there was some event somewhere, and this was some 25, 30 years back or 25 years back, and you punched Mr. Bachchan in his stomach.
I don't.
You
think so.
remember? I remember, yeah. He was talking to you.
Was
and
he taking long?
Wait, one sec. What? You punched Amitabh Bachchan in his
No,
stomach.
not the way he said it. He's been very great, nice with
no,
me.
No, gently.
Ah,
of course.
okay.
I mean, you did that.
No, but I mean, like,
very-
again, I'm just thinking of Coolie and like accident and stomach
No,
and
no,
almost
no.
death.
My God, you've really gone into a hate ordeal thing now. The man who destroyed India's greatest superstar with his loud mouth. No. Listen, he's been so nice to me. I would never ever do any. What I like about Amitabh Bachchan is that he just, in spite of all his fame, he just becomes your kind of area of sort of he falls down to your level, if that's the right word to use. Yeah, so he's very, if you're going to be regressive in your stupid commentary, he does the same. But with a straight poker face, because he's he's got immaculate comic timing off and on camera. So in that sense, he's like a Parsi, Mickey.
Ekdam.
Yeah, straight face, tuck, he gives it back and nothing
Boss.
ruffles him. But apparently, if he doesn't like you, he's different. So I think I passed the test initially. So.
I like this dialogue in Amar Akbar Anthony.
हाँ.
ऐसा तो आदमी
Can you
life
assume
में
a position and say it?
अच्छा ऐसा तो आदमी लाइफ में 2 टाइम भागने को सकता है.
Police का chase है
Olympic
Olympic race.
पुलिस का केस हो.
Correct.
Olympic का रेस हो या पुलिस
का chase. Correct.
And his second dialogue, बड़े पेपर में अपना भी छोटा फोटो आता है मैम साहब.
Wow. Mickey Mehta has gone from where to where. The wholeness of the holistic nature of the universe coming together to represent your health, wealth, and everything else. And then Bollywood dialogs from the 80s. I mean, that's great.
एकदम.
In between legs spread, legs behind the head. Amit Doshi is so upset. He and me will never ever come to a yoga class. All right, listen, we're running late. Do we do one more quickly?
Let's do one last one.
Cyrus, that sounds very awful. One more quickly.
Boss, this is barroom talk back in the old days. Ek apni? That's also awful.
And that too at Goalia Tank, you and Kunal. Goalia Tank Grand Center, if I'm
yeah, of course.
Chicken Center.
Legends.
Legends.
And they called us Baba. Right till I stopped drinking in 2015 and he was 55 or something. They imagine being called Baba all your life, out of respect. Because we started at 16. It's like that.
No, Sanju Baba made everything famous.
But it's the same thing. So Sanju Baba was called Baba by the staff when he was 16, 15. But at 58, they should stop it.
Chalo, aur ek aane do.
Last, fast.
This one comes in from Gandhar Parki. This person asks, Dr. Mehta, some gods of Sanatan Dharma used to smoke. Do you think smoking being so dangerous should not have been promoted in such a way?
Well, I would say, would it be appropriate to say God smoked? No, because God is a phenomenon. God cannot be embodied. Anything that can be embodied, anything that is definite, and anything that can be defined cannot be eternal and cannot be divine.
A controversial jawab nahi na?
No, not really. It's actually the nicest answer we could have gotten for a question which
was
asking to get us into
giving no
trouble.
figure to an amorphous thing. Okay.
Yeah. So let me tell you, divinity exists in principles and not in persons.
Wow, you can see from our awkward silence that we are all wondering how to go with this. And honestly, it's not because it's only because of a sense of fear. Moment you turn to religion of any kind and religious sort of diatribe, I think immediately
But
all of us pull out a little bit because
I
one
think,
young Munawar Faruqi
yeah,
is lying doing yoga positions
So
in
apparently,
lastly,
dude, they
loud.
want to arrest him in UP now.
acha, acha.
But
Okay,
They
he's
sent
already in
a
MP.
no, so they sent a warrant. So UP has asked him to appear in court now.
Wow.
Okay, lastly on this question. So ever since life was spotted on the rims of a volcano, which is called chemolitho autotropic hypothermophile, to the point we've become
Silvery,
conscious
let's try
human.
it. Hemo, lipo.
Chemolitho autotropic hypothermophile. So right from that point to 14 billion years, we've evolved and we become super conscious human beings who have the potential of rising above gods and falling below animals. So that answers the question of your smoking, drinking, eating,
And nothing rhyming. Huh.
nothing rhyming. Seeing, being, doing.
All right, let's end this nice discussion with Silvery doing a asana of his choice, just to show
Ah,
the young are also interested in yoga. What is that?
Ah.
You're reaching for the fan.
done. That's done.
No, this is arm asan. Arm
Nothing.
asan.
Yeah, correct.
This is a
Yeah.
Brisbane Test match giving a decision. That's what it is. By the umpire.
Yeah.
All right. Okay,
So,
Mickey, thanks for being here. And now it's back
thank
to
you so
normal
much.
life. For me, walking dogs. For
Yeah,
Amit,
yeah.
getting ready to go to office. And for Silvery, looking for a lady.
And for me, opening up.
Opening. How can you open up?
Like
I
a
would say
butterfly.
close down. Close a little bit. Too much.
So I think my closing parting lines would be my, very standard, but they are very close to me. My 10 commandments are that make wellness your religion, number one. Start a wellness revolution for human evolution. Number two, best exercise for biceps is to uplift the poor. Best exercise for strong shoulders is to take responsibilities of the underprivileged. Best exercise for strong legs is to be rooted in humility, to be better rooted in humanity. Sleep every night with a wish to heal yourself. Wake up every morning with a promise to heal the world. And then you can get energized, maximized, optimized, naturalized, eternalize, internalize, evolutionize, revolutionize, specialize, synergize, synchronize, initialize, regularize, revitalize, all negativity neutralized to get Mickey-mized.
Mickey, great. But just one thing I'd like to say also for my few listeners, and that is that when you're peeing on a highway, don't face the cars. I've noticed that this is a stupid thing to do, and people are now taking photographs. So always face away. I think between
Obviously,
our two.
isn't that obvious? I mean, we pee in the grass,
Oh, a
not
lot of
towards the
people,
cars.
they just face the anyway. They do this bindas thing. It has to end now. Someone has to take a
Wow,
stand.
that would be so exciting to see. I mean, I'm straight up.
Free Willy coming
Free
soon.
Willy.
Free Mickey coming soon.
Free
I think
Mickey coming soon.
you've scandalized my Mr. Doshi. Huh? He's
Acha,
wondering whether
acha.
you're a philosopher or a rascal. He's caught now between the two. So
Don't
thanks.
get
Jokes apart, Mickey.
scandalized, but
Great.
get Mickey Mouse. Yeah.
We'll all get Mickey Mice soon. We'll see you.
Cyrus, only you and you only would have got this out of me. Trust me.
You mean you spread your legs for no one, Mickey?
Although I worked in Muscat for a year.
The political correctness to take away. Suddenly, every 5 minutes, I have to worry now again. we have to put a disclaimer on this show, Baba. I might be going to Dubai, by the way. Huh? Be careful.
Oh, Cyrus.
Lovely place. See you guys.
See you guys.